Well, welcome to another rainy day in Yellowstone. Hopefully it doesn't last long because we do not need any more flooding here. It looks like they are opening the park on Wednesday, so that will be nice. We can get back to work. But that also means we've got another 3 days of being able to explore the park and have it all to ourselves. So today I am picking up my friend from work and we are going to go check out the Grand Prismatic and see what else we can see along the way. So we're coming up on, it's called, I think, Barrel Springs is how you pronounce it. But it is pretty cool looking. It's loud too. It's like fogging up my glasses. Listen to that thing just simmering away. It's so crazy. We're gonna keep on heading down the road. I'm here with Denise, my co-worker friend. Say hello. Hello. So we're heading over to Grand Prismatic. There's Denise, trying to hide.
Trying to stay warm.
I'm blocking the wind.
Some people. There we go.
All right, let's go check this out. It's a little chilly today, so it's extra steamy up there. This is gonna be so rad. My glasses are completely fogged over. I can't see anything. Oh, they're like dripping now too. Yeah, I can't see anything. Where am I going? Hold on to the handrail. All right, I gotta take my glasses off.
Did you go all the way up there already?
Yeah.
Is it just one way up there?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
You can hardly see anything with all the steam. Still, look at it. You can't even see it. All right, let's go to the other side. Maybe that'll be better. You can kind of see a little bit more of this. Crystal clear water that's bubbling. How stinking cool. If it wasn't so cold, there wouldn't be as much steam and be able to see it a lot better. It's still pretty awesome though. Look at that. How cool. This is an amazing area. You can see bison tracks. Well, this is what happens when you're not paying attention. I wanted to get a slow-mo video of the steam coming off of the Grand Prismatic. It didn't turn out so well. And then I forgot to change my phone back to regular video. So enjoy these next clips as some unnecessary slow-mo B-roll. On the plus side, for me at least, I don't have to listen to my own voice while I'm editing this video. You can kind of see the This is one that I'm definitely coming back to. I will deal with the crowd. Oh, what a dum-dum. Here, let's point out my mistakes some more. So apparently, there... And that lookout is... I don't remember. After this, I turned my phone off before we walked back to the van, and it went back to my default video settings, so that's good. The Grand Prismatic was a really cool feature to see. We saw a lookout up on the side of a hill which would give us a much better and higher view of it, so we wanted to figure out how to get there. It was a cold and windy day, and I was in shorts and a t-shirt, so if it was a quick walk, we would do it. This is unbelievably rad. Right on the river, you see all the little steam areas. I don't know what they're... Hot springs? Springs?
Hot spring?
What are these things called? It says flood geyser there, so maybe it's a geyser.
Geyser. Hot spring. I don't know. How you differentiate?
Yeah, me neither. But this is such a cool shot. This is so cool. You got this big hole in the ground right next to the river right there. Wow. So we found the trail that gets us up to that overlook over Grand Prismatic. So it's about a mile walk up a pathway. So I think I'm going to come back at some point before the park reopens and take the bike down there. Go check that out, because that would be sweet. We just stopped in this super cool little picnic area called Whiskey Flats to have some lunch. Look at this area right in front of this big meadow. We're hoping that a bear comes up, or I am. I don't think Denise is wanting a bear to come up. I do. We got the Tembo Tuscatl out. We're making some pork chops. Pork chops and veggies for lunch. This is pretty darn cool. What a sweet backdrop for lunch. So cool. Just in our little wooded area. Bentley's just staring off into the meadow, waiting for something. Huh, boy? What do you think, buddy? You like it here? Yeah? What do you think, bud? Oh, you know what? I got something for you. One of our subscribers got Bentley some treats. So we just picked him up. And we're gonna give him some. So thanks, Brendan. Bentley says thanks too. All right, buddy boy, here. You want a treat? You want a treat? There you go. What do you say to Brendan? Say thanks, Brendan. Thanks, dude. That was super awesome. I appreciate it. Well, it's gonna be yummy. It's gonna call all the bears in. Well, lunch is done. Yeah. That was a cool place to eat lunch. Pretty darn sweet. No bears. That's okay. Probably for the better. Alright, I gotta get Bentley loaded up and eat my banana for dessert and go to camp and relax. Maybe we'll get a fire going or something. Bentley boy, are you ready to go, bud? You wanna go back to camp? Huh, you ready? You ready to go? Let's go to camp, huh? Come on. Come on, silly boy. You ready? Oh, buddy. All right. Let's rock and roll. What'd you think? Was that lunch satisfactory?
It was the best pork chop. Meadow side. Vegetable lunch, brunch, dinner.
You hear that? Best ever. All right, let's get out of here. We got a bunch of bison off the side of the road here. This is cool. This is so common to see though, but it's still super cool. Look at this little guy. Oh, went past.
I hope I don't get. Oh, there's babies!
The little babies.
Yeah, I hope I don't get super jaded. I mean, I know they're going to annoy me more when there's more people.
I know, right?
But they're still cool. Hello.
This guy's sniffing in the air. Scraggly looking beasts, aren't they? We made it back to camp here and it got chilly. Clouds rolled in and the temp just dropped. So I think we are going to just curl up inside and stay warm. Kind of tired after today. It was so much fun though. I do have a few videos I still have to edit, so maybe we'll work on that tonight since it's a little too cold to just chill out here. Yeah, let's do that. Living in Yellowstone for the summer is just simply amazing, but I'm starting to get the itch to travel on to see new places. We're here until the end of September, so we've got plenty of time to figure out what's next. I want to give a special shout out and thank you to Brendan for so graciously supporting us and for sending Bentley some treats. Thanks, man. Well, thanks for following along and watching our silly little videos. We'll see y'all next time.